We gotta have a single.
But this.
No, we're looking for a white.
No, this right here needs to be on this.
No,
Okay,
that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for
no, this right here.
We're looking for one of these right here.
Oh, right here.
That right there. There you go. This one right here.
But we
No,
have
listen to me.
these.
Listen to me.
But why we have
Here to go right there.
here?
Nope.
Right here?
Nope.
Right here?
Nuh-uh. Right here. Cross it on the back. Just like that. Yep. That's it. Yes, sir. That's it. Okay, now look. Look at me. Look. Okay, then you gotta have.
And we need this lighter.
You gotta have something.
But do we need this lighter? Do
Here.
we need this lighter?
You have got to have another one just like this.
Yeah.
Where do you see?
I found one right here.
Just like this? No, it's just like this.
Just like that.
Right here.
Okay, and it goes, look, put it right here.
Here.
No, no,
Right
no,
here?
sideways. Look, let me help you. I'm gonna take this and show you. This goes just sideways like this. Okay?
Like that?
Yeah, just put it on there just like that.
Yes. I did it.
Well, you almost did. Let me put this one, you put yours, it goes just like that.
I did mine.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go to the front. We're gonna make a nose. See the nose right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, take these little ones. I'm gonna do one, you do the other. Get this one right here.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. We want it to be just like this right here. Hold on. But did you get this and then you can do that one. Put that just like that.
That?
No, just like this, so that way it's got a point.
Like that?
Is that it?
Yeah.
No, wrong way. Turn it toward the point. This way.
one? This way?
Yeah. No, other side, I think. The other way, Cruz. Oh,
That's right. No, that's
that's
right.
right.
That's right. Say, Mom, I got this.
No, I'm helping you.
I know you helped me. Okay, look, look, look. Come here.
What?
Now we're going to turn the page. Look, always take your instruction. Look at your instruction. Okay? Look, find one that looks like this, Cruz. You need a single white, which is right here. Okay, look. This right here. This. Get that.
I found one.
Okay, then you need a 4. It's got like a little curve in it somewhere. Let's see what we can find. No, it's a.
No, being a
Here it is, right here.
big stage right
Got
here.
this right here.
Yeah, I found it. But I see it right there, so it is it.
You got this right here. Let me see this.
Hey.
Let me figure this out for a second. Let me see this right here you got in your hand. This only goes one way for some reason.
No,
don't
I
know
help
why.
you. I help you. It doesn't go.
I don't. No, this way it goes. Then you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need one that has 6. The white one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get that one.
2 on?
Just one of them.
Okay. Here.
Okay, and you want it to go right here. Just right here at the bottom. Lay this down. Look, lay it down. Put this just like this right here.
No,
Now push
I
it.
didn't.
Push it. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Now,
It doesn't-
now, wait a second. You need one that looks like this right here. And this right here is this green one. This is it right here.
Well, I found another green one.
It's green.
Green.
A white one would work. All right, put this. Cruz, put this right here. Just like that. Then you need another single. Should be this white one.
No, I did.
Put it right here.
Here. Here?
Yeah.
Here.
It won't fit, will it? There you go. All right, now you need a,
Hey, hey.
an orange.
Hey, look, a power for it.
You need this right here.
No, I found a power for it. Power. But I found power for it, Dad. Dad, this is for it. Okay, Dad?
Yeah, that's gonna be sometime, not yet.
No, this will be
Okay,
for
look.
later.
You done got all this built here.
Yeah.
Here it is right here. So put that right there, and let's go to the next page. Now,
Now.
that's a tail rotor. That's exactly what that is. That's a tail rotor. So that thing is going to connect right here. Take this
Yeah.
and put it right there. Connect that one, yeah, just like that. Push it hard.
I did it.
You did do it. That's it. Now that's going to go just like that.
Mm.
Now, you're going to go over here to this next thing, and you've got this one right here. Look, this one right here is going to go right there. Just like that. It's going to connect it all together. Push it hard. Yep. Just like that. It's got all of it locked in.
Okay.
Now,
But this right
You
here
got-
need to be
well,
right.
we're going to this rotor blade. You got this piece here.
But here's another road, right?
Yeah, but you got something going right here. You got a roller. You got another piece that's right here somewhere. You got something that looks like a roller by it. Take this right here,
Let me peek now.
okay, and it goes right here.
But the power goes to it.
Yeah, put it right there on top.
But the power goes to it.
Just like that.
Ah.
Okay.
And
You got that, just like that.
but pick
Now,
the
you
power.
gotta take this piece here.
Pick the power.
No, it's not ready for that yet, bud.
Okay. But let me pick power though. Let me pick power later. Okay, Dad? Hey, let me.
Got this piece that
Let
goes
me
just
pick.
like,
Let me pick.
but I don't think that's it.
Like this.
Yeah, I don't think that's it though. I
It's
don't know.
not. It's not it. It's not.
Looks like that's it. I believe it is it. Yeah, that's got to be it. It's just not ready. That's the next step.
Come on.
Hold on, let's see. Yeah, there and there. Okay, we'll find out something else that goes.
Hey,
Okay, get you 2 black ones, and you gotta have 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 6.
look.
So you need these. Get these 2 right here out. Get this one.
Oi. Oi.
You get that one. You need those 2. Now, you got this one right here,
Yeah.
which is, I'll take it apart.
No, I'll build this, okay, Dad? I'll build a stage, okay, Dad? Hey, the stage not ready yet, so we need another stage. Mom, where's another stage, Mom? Where's another stage?
Thought we was building a helicopter. Now we got this right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this right here.
No, I pick. Oh, hold on.
I want to see how it goes.
Hey, can you pick this for me?
Getting closer to the helicopter.
Hey.
All right, you got 2. We need them 2 white ones right there.
Hey, stop it.
We gotta have it for the helicopter, bud. You gotta have those 2 right there.
Let me pick on there now. On each.
You need this piece right here. Let me show you. This right here is gonna go
No, I'm picking. Me pick now.
just like that. Put this one
I pick.
right there. Let me see. Well, gotta go this way. Just like that. Okay, then you gotta find 2 little lights. I guess it would be these right here. Looks
I
like.
found one.
Okay, put one of these on each end. Look,
On 2.
you have 2 of them.
But there's 2 red ones.
We don't want the red one. We gotta have this amber color. There's an amber. There's one. You put,
I found see two.
Got two. Okay, take one and put right there, and one and put right there.
Here?
Yeah. Make it stick, see?
Do
It
this here.
goes just like that. Now, where's 16? Where's your rotor blade? Right here. There's your rotor blade.
No, I put the rotor blade.
It goes right here on the side.
Yeah.
Push it on there.
Push it. The rotor blade is ready. Is it ready, waiter? I did it!
Yeah.
I put the rotor blade.
That's it. So there you got your blade. See? That's your blade. It works.
But it'll fly.
I don't know if it'll fly.
It'll fly.
Okay, we gotta put that on there.
But if you
We
spin the
need
rotor
something.
blade
Oh, right
faster,
here. Here's what we need
it'll
right here.
fly. If you push it faster, and if you do it like that faster, then it'll fly. No? You know that, babe? That's stage. This stage. Highway down.
Look.
What?
Now you got your helicopter.
Yeah.
There's your helicopter. Show it to Mom.
Oh.
See, that thing's made to just stick on there and look. You can just turn it.
Tail like that.
Well,
Tail like that.
see.
Show it the way, Chris.
Show Mom the helicopter.
Hold your head just like that.
Just like that.
Cruise.
Just keep your head laying down. I'm sorry.
Rose, stop, huh? Stop.